Back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete transaction history in your WeChat page. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Having opened up your WeChat app, go ahead and click on the profile icon and go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Then go ahead and click on Wallet. Go ahead and click on Transactions. Then here you go. You have all your transaction history. If you want to delete any of transactions right here, go ahead and click and hold down. So like for instance, I want to delete these transactions right here. So I will click and hold down and this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on delete. After deletion, this bill record will be removed from the list and cannot be retrieved. Go ahead and click on delete. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.